Hey guys, Nikhil here again from the AceTech 2021 at the MM2MM product store. They have some really interesting trap doors.
Access panels.
Basically access doors or access panels. So can you tell me a bit more about this and where these are used, what's unique with your product?
Sure. See, whenever we make a false ceiling, we always have some of the other services which are above the false ceiling. Say for example, you have the sprinkler valve, you may have the smoke detection system, you may have some wire connections, or maybe something which you want to access.
Right.
Now if you want to access, you cannot every time cut the opening in the trap, this false ceiling and spoil it. So what we can do is we can use the access doors, or they are called, in India it is called trap doors.
Okay.
So once you open the trap doors, you can open that area, you can service it and you can close it.
Okay.
So once you close it, they look practically seamless.
Okay.
So it is virtually invisible trap doors.
Okay.
Now we have a lot of sizes in the trap doors. We have from 1 foot, right up to 1 foot, 4 feet by 2 feet. Now we have a unique product which we call it as a large format trap doors.
Okay.
Now what happens in most of the premises, when you have the air handling units, those air handling units are bigger size. They are about 4 feet by 6 feet. Again, maybe 3 feet by 2 feet or whatever. So for that you require a larger trap doors. For the larger trap doors, you need to have a proper technology. Most of the people in days, they are using the plywood trap doors. The bad thing about the plywood trap door is the plywood gets wet.
Correct.
Whenever there is a leakage in the trap door, and they give away their shape. The grooves all around it, again it's not finished job. So we introduce a large format trap doors.
Okay.
Now these formats are pretty strong.
Okay.
Which can be directly supported to the slab, and this can be manufactured to the size of about 9 feet by 6 feet, which is the maximum size.
A single door.
A single trap door.
Okay.
And you can have a multiple number of openings. So when you make this and when you fix this, you get exactly a clear, crisp grooving all around, which gives you a very good finish to the false ceiling.
Superb. Can you just show me how it works?
So if you want to see the large format, this is quite heavier right now.
Okay.
So you just put an Allen key and you can open it.
Okay.
So this has to be fixed to the slab with a threaded rod.
Okay.
And then you can open it.
Can you show me a small demo?
Yeah, sure. I'll show you. So if I start here, these are the small sizes. It comes with the various finishes. So this is called MR board, which is the moisture resistant gypsum board.
Okay.
This is WPC board. The WPC board is 100% waterproof. This is with the laminate finish.
Okay.
We're making the round shape also.
Okay. Why round shape?
That is because I'll tell you, the square is also a design, round is also a design. The square is functional, but when you want a function with some design, with some variety, people go for a round shape.
Okay.
So it looks something different from the regular round or regular square shape. Now it can be customized to the veneer finish also, and even to the PVC ceiling also. It can come in a metal trapdoor also. Now it's very simple to open. It has got the push locks. So when you click it, it opens up. It has got a safety chain, so it doesn't fall on your head. You can open the safety chain.
Yeah.
You can work inside and you can again close it back.
Okay. Perfect.
So this is a simple technology, but it gives your ceiling a beautiful look.
Superb. Glad to know. What are these designs?
So most of the people are using in bathrooms
Okay.
the PVC ceilings.
Okay.
But again, they keep the geyser above the ceilings.
Okay.
So if you want to access that, you can fix this. So when you put the ceiling which is of this color or this color, this shade or something, you don't find anything different. So it goes along with that.
Perfect. And below?
The below is the veneer. So sometimes it may happen that you don't do gypsum ceiling. Sometimes you do wooden ceiling with the veneer finish. So this can come in the various veneer finishes, veneer colors. So you can put the veneer also on top of it. So it merges with the veneer ceiling.
Superb. Absolutely superb. So looks really cool, and I think it's a very functional product which everyone should know about.
Yes.
So thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions about trap doors and access doors, let us know in the comment section below. I'll connect you to Mr. Kishore. Thank you for doing this for us, sir.
Thank you so much, Nikhil.